If you really want to take in the chill vibes or just stomp the ground late at night, this is where you have to be.
Hi, so this was Cyber Hub. So there are many places to hang out in Delhi NCR, and Gurugram Cyber Hub is one of the most happening places in Delhi NCR. Today we are here to see what it's all about. We were not allowed to get our cameras inside, but you know what? We have a phone, and we shot few things. I will be able to tell you more about it once I see the place.
Cyber Hub got no chills in real life. From Monday to Sunday, from day till night, something is always happening somewhere. Even the event companies and popular brands know that if they want to involve the real public into their activity, they got to set up the action at the hub only. Do you want to know why? Because all the cool people from the city are hanging out, chilling, and actively participating here. If you are a regular at Cyber, you know we are talking about you guys. Anywho, this hub caters to almost all the needs of the pleasant crowd gathered here. It's important that people who constantly stroll all over the hub are nice and breezy because believe it or not, they actually affect the vibe of the whole place. The place just doesn't look like India, except the people are Indian. It's not the same as Sleepless in Seattle, but Cyber Hub in Gurugram hardly sleeps. It's like a bad boy of hubs who hangs out like there are no worries in the world during the days and stays awake till late partying at sundown. Whenever you're here, there's a good chance that you will get distracted by the big screen in the middle. You can always expect some kind of sunset or live screening of something, especially during the weekend. The events that take place in the vicinity is normally followed by a flick on the screen, basically freaky movie on the big screen. Another thing, if you pay a visit to this delirious spot in Gurugram, you can have some grown up playtime, and by that we mean cricket and bowling arcades. There's Smash here for the grown up playtime.
As you can see, the vibe of this place is very energetic, very chic, very urban, and it's right in the middle of Gurugram and NCR. It's closer to, I am new here, so it's closer to somewhere near the South Delhi, the way to come here. And coincidentally, we didn't get any traffic to come here from Connaught Place to the drive up here, and mostly the entry place consists of workplaces. As you can see, there is Rockwell Automation, Deloitte, KPMG, DLF's own, this is own office. There are banks, there are a lot of places to eat, and there are a lot of date places, there are a lot of youth hangout places, there is a lot of place to shop, Decathlon, and a lot of other brands. So yeah, it's a very nice place to hang out for the youngsters.
Okay, bye guys. I gotta go to the loo, but you do follow New India Junction for more such fun content. We are gonna bring to you a lot of cool new places for the youth to hang out at, and much more.